What's going on? It's your boy Maxwell Billieon, back on the blog, the Ambassador Series, the Billieon Group, TBG. All access, as I promised. We're in the back of Staples Center right now. Our man Travis Pastrana just crashed, so we're gonna go take a peek in close up and let you see what happens when an athlete of that caliber goes down. You ready?
Lost it. Reset. No, I can't. My tape on I went to go
Before back, didn't have
No, you should see my last. I've been cancel. No, I can see you, but
Crab, are you?
oh, you're done.
In the lights.
Yay! Most hasn't even tried it.
Tell her where Travis's bike is. She'll figure it out.
Crap. As of right now, you're still in the bronze. He's in the bronze.
Everybody's
Throw it out there.
Should I just go bust out a double? No. So there you see it, he's recovered, going back out. That's what champions do.
Bonner said he was going to get bumped. He's like, man, I gave you a bad score, but I'm going to get podium. So all you idiots are crash out.
You tell me to light it up. I'll tell you when I'm done. If you do, just back it up.
So we're gonna skate out right now. Let him get his rest. He's not going? Oh boy. Well, you heard that. And you heard that from Mom. That's right. And it took a broken wrist to keep him from going. Yes. That wouldn't be good. We definitely don't want that, ambassadors. Well, that's beautiful Mom on the blog. She's taking care of her baby boy. And we wish him the best indeed. We'll see you. Maxwell Billieon, another day in the life. Behind the scenes, the ambassadors. You see the A. Stay tuned, we'll be back.